Extreme fire dangers are forecast for parts of South Australia and Victoria today, and that's thanks to a combination of hot, dry, and windy conditions. So, extreme fire dangers are forecast through eastern South Australia and western and central Victoria. That does include the Mount Lofty Ranges and the Melbourne metropolitan area, as well as a hilly, bushy terrain to the north of Melbourne. So, what that means is if you live in these areas or know someone that does, a combination of hot, dry, windy conditions and dry lightning means that if fires do get started, they'll be uncontrollable and uncontainable and lead to dangerous and erratic fire behaviour. So please, if you live in these areas or know someone that does, particularly in grassy or heavily wooded areas, make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecast and warnings and listen to all and any advice from emergency services. So these hot, dry, windy conditions also leading to temperatures well above average for this time of year. And we can see that now on the chart with temperatures getting into the low to mid 40s, so much of inland Australia, but also down into parts of Victoria and southern Victoria as well. As we move into the early afternoon hours, cool change will have moved through Adelaide and southern parts of South Australia and be moving into western and southwestern parts of Victoria. But ahead of that, these hot, dry and northerly winds are likely to lead to temperatures 12 to 14 degrees above average for this time of year, and dry lightning also likely to develop on and ahead of the change. Then as we move into the afternoon hours, we'll see that cool change moving through the southwest coast and Geelong area and deeper into western parts of Victoria. Then likely to move through the Melbourne area sometime around 6 or 7 p.m. and big drops in temperatures as well. We could see temperatures drop 10 to 15 degrees as that change moves through, as well as a really strong and gusty west to southwesterly change. Notice the temperatures really dropping along our coastal areas. Then as we move into Monday night and Tuesday morning, we'll see much cooler conditions through parts of South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania. And then the heat will focus through New South Wales on Tuesday. And then we've got a really strong southerly buster moving up the coast. Sydney looking at temperatures in the mid 30s, low 40s for western suburbs. Canberra also looking hot, and temperatures through much of the inland into the high 30s to low 40s. And then in the afternoon, we'll see that change push through the Sydney area and along the central coast of New South Wales. But severe storms are also likely for much of eastern and northern New South Wales on Tuesday, with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall all possible. So a fair bit of weather coming on for southeastern parts of the country. So make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecast and warnings via our website, app and social media, and listen to all and any advice from your local emergency services.